How to check how many hours you have played on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can check how many hours you have played on your PS4. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to check how many hours you've played a specific game on PS4, just like you can on PS5 as well, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then actually open up your navigation menu that you can see here by hitting the upper arrow button. And now you'll find your profile. You can just go to profile. Now over here, if you look at the left hand side, you will be able to find this option called games. Go to games over here, and then on the right hand side you'll be able to see the number of games you've played. So if you've played a game for a specific amount of time, you'll find the number of hours played on the right hand side of it. In my case, I have yet to play a specific game because I have not yet played it, but if you have, you'll find the number of hours, the progress, and the trophies that you've earned for this game. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically check the number of hours you've played on PS4. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.